October 17th. I have a trade here on the daily chart, US dollar versus Canadian dollar, and I made an entry at this level at 1.3867. Reason being for that is that we have a signal bar, a shooting star here. You can see a long wick on the upper side, and also it closed. New York closed in red territory. And what I've also been talking about in my other videos, that you should always trade with a pullback, retracement scenario like this, that this is the signal bar, a shooting star, or a bearish hammer. And then you wait for a Fibonacci level of about 50 or 70% retracements, in this case on the upside here. And I took my sell limit order about 55%. And you can see it reached exactly here, and then the seller stepped in, and it was a good selling opportunity here using this signal bar, this shooting star. And I will take my profits now, and I think we will have a minor pullback again up to these levels into this supply box that I have drawn here. So I hope you like this video, and I will most certainly come back with a follow-up. Bye for now. Take care.